crores now. The government has released its borrowing roadmap for the second half of the fiscal year, and it plans to borrow 6.61 lakh crore rupees, which is in line with the budget target. Sapna joins us now to take us through the government's borrowing plan. Sapna.
Absolutely in line with the budget estimates for FY25, around 14 lakh odd crore is a big number. Now around 53% is what government had borrowed in H1. There was some tweaking in the overall gross borrowing number in the budget on July 23rd. Post that, H2 calendar now stands at around 6.61 lakh crore, which is around 47.2%, of the plan basically. So overall around 100 odd percent. So absolutely in line with the budget estimates. The second element here, of course, is also the fact that the government is also lowered its T-bill calendar in terms of the issuances. So that again, that moderation has basically come in because of the good cash flows, estimated cash flows of the government, and plus the current holding level of T-bills is quite sufficient at the moment. The third element, of course, we also need to keep in mind in terms of the sovereign green bonds. So, in H1, if you can recall, around 10,000 odd crores worth of auctions were cancelled because of poor yield quotes that the government had received. So around 12,000 odd crores was estimated at that point in time, out of which 10,000 odd crores was cancelled. Now the government probably has tried to weave that back in the H2 calendar. So out of this 6.61 lakh odd crore, 20,000 odd crores will be in terms of the dated securities for sovereign green bonds. So this is a macro picture. Now the DS Secretary has explained these numbers. Like, we started asking why. The question that we asked was that why is it that we are on schedule, or rather within the budget estimate. So here the government is very clear. They are saying that the government needs to follow the prudential limits of the annual debt repayments. At some point in time, they might be encountering a spike in terms of the overall gross market borrowings because the redemptions are going to be higher. And why will the redemptions be higher? Say, for example, next year, around 5 lakh odd crore worth of only redemptions are being probably estimated, because during the COVID years, the government had borrowed heavily. So basically to smoothen out that borrowing curve and to make sure that the future liability, doesn't become too heavy, because in the current year you're borrowing more, or, you are doing some tweaks which are not really required, or the annual debt limits do not permit that. That's why they are within the budget numbers. And plus also, yes, let's keep in mind that the cash position so far is quite all right, and that's what is estimated in the times to come. Last but not the least, some of the government officials have also indicated, try to give some clarity on the issue of the sovereign gold bonds. So here they are indicating that basically, as per assessment, government will decide if they need to borrow or not under any further or future tranche of sovereign gold bonds. That's it. That's what they are indicating on the gold bonds. So neither are shut, neither are open. Basically, it's case neutral. Call will be taken in case they need to borrow under that as well.
Okay, well, it looks like it might not be open as an option, at least at this point in time. Sapna, many thanks for joining us. Now, the finance